Leixlip's last hope, can it save Ireland from Intel's major restructuring? Imagine a rolling fog of uncertainty hanging over Ireland's tech landscape. Intel, once a shining beacon of innovation and financial muscle, is now facing a storm of upheaval. The giant US chipmaker's recent decision to slash its workforce has sent shockwaves through the industry, and directly impacts Irish jobs and the local economy. Just 5 years ago, Intel was undisputed king of the chip world, basking in the glow of unrivaled value and dominance. Today, the scene has changed dramatically. Reports suggest Intel might be cutting a whopping 20% of its global staff, a brutal move aimed at trimming the fat and steering the company through choppy waters. So, what does this mean for Ireland? This isn't a case of the company easing off or simply offering unpaid leave to its employees. Instead, it's a raw and necessary act of downsizing on a massive scale, one that underscores how fierce the corporate battle has become. Yet, in the midst of the chaos, hope flickers. All eyes are on Leixlip, a key Intel hub that's deeply embedded in the company's future plans. This facility isn't just another factory, it's a powerhouse of engineering and chip design, vital for Intel's revival. With the cuts perhaps hitting less critical areas, Leixlip might just be too precious for Intel to sacrifice. James Lawless, the Minister for Higher Education and a prominent TD for Kildare North, offers some perspective. He notes that Leixlip isn't bogged down with unnecessary support services, meaning it's a leaner operation, more focused than ever on innovation. Meanwhile, Intel's global pullback is clear. The company's workforce shrank from nearly 125,000 staff in 2023 to just over 109,000 last year, a reduction of about 13%. This isn't just a coincidence. It follows the appointment of new CEO Lip Tan in March, who made bold promises to reshape Intel's future. His words and the subsequent rally among shareholders, with a 15% boost on Wall Street, underline that change is in the air, and it's not a gentle breeze. Tan's vision was clear. In many ways, we are the founders of the new Intel, he declared, signaling a fresh direction and a willingness to shake things up, whether that sparks hope or worry among those watching the company's next steps.